Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of Zoho Desk Connector for OpenCart. We will show you the complete setup process of the module. Let's start. The first step is to enable the module. Now select the domain of your Zoho account. Now, add any batch number between 5 to 50. This value will be used to fetch number of records from database in one query. Now copy the redirect URI from here. Click User icon button present at top of the page to generate client ID and secret. It will open the Zoho login page. Log in with your account and click Add Client. Select Server-based applications in client type. Add any client name. Add home page URL of your site. Add authorized redirect URIs as displayed in module setting and click Create. Now copy client ID, paste in module setting in respected field. Now copy client secret, paste in module setting in respected field. Click Save. Now click Keys button to generate tokens. Now select the Zoho Desk organization and click Submit. Now click Accept. Once it will be connected, it will refresh the configuration page and you will see that tokens are generated. There are few more fields in module setting like Zoho Organization ID. You may get it from your Zoho account. Go to your Zoho Desk account. Click on the cogwheel in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Navigate to the Developer Space section and select the API option. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to see the Org ID. Org ID is the organization ID you need. Copy the provided ID from here and paste in module setting. One last field is Product Departments. Select the product departments of your Zoho Desk account. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete. Now we will show you the syncing of customers and products. Click the Zoho Desk menu and you will see the sync menus. In case these menus are not present, then check the permission from user groups. Now click the Sync Customers. Click the Export button to sync the customers from OpenCart to Zoho Desk. Import button will do the reverse of export. We have already synced the customers. You can see the synced customer list is present. Let's see them in Zoho Desk also. See customers are present in Zoho Desk. You need to repeat same process for products also. We have already synced them. Let's see the products in Zoho Desk. We have tried to cover all points, mainly the setup process. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.